In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in Eurobank Ergasias of Greece. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for Eurobank Ergasias, this keyword. After that, click the first website here. You will see this page. Click on e-banking and this option, e-banking, and then you will see this page. From here, guys, you have two options, username and password, right? Or just write your username here. For example, this is username, and write your unique password. So friends, if you forget your password, you can click I forget back my password and click I recover my password, this option. From here, just follow this requested to recover your codes and password. If you want to log in your app, just download this app on Google Play. When you download this app on Google Play, you can log in successfully without any problem. Just follow these prompts, simple prompts to log in, and then you will log in successfully with your username and password. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you, and if you want to any question, just DM me on this comment and I will try answer your question as soon as possible, guys.